Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to capture slow motion videos on your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So all you have to do is simply launch the camera application on your device and then swipe to the left through this menu on top of the shutter button until you get to the more option and select it. And then all you have to do is simply tap on slow motion. Now, before you can record a slow motion video, you can customize the settings to suit your needs. So all you have to do is simply tap on this arrow at the top to reveal the settings. Now you can either choose to have a flashlight during the recording of that particular slow motion video. So if you want a flashlight on, simply tap on flashlight, select the torch, and now you can see the flashlight is on. So you can record the slow motion video to suit your needs. Also, you can change the resolution of that particular slow motion video. So if you like to change the resolution, simply tap on resolution and choose either 720 or 1080. And also, if you want to change the frame rates of that particular slow motion video, all you have to do is simply tap on frame rate and choose either 120 to 240 FPS if applicable. Now, once you've made the changes you prefer, all you have to do is record that slow motion video. So for me, I recorded a slow motion video already. So I'll just select it and open it, and then you'll see how that slow motion video looks like. So let me just play it. And there you go. So that's the slow motion video, and that's how it looks like. Now you might notice whenever you're in the gallery, you'll notice this icon next to that particular video. So that means this video is a slow motion video. And if you'd like to edit that slow motion video, all you have to do is tap on that icon, and then you should see a preview of what it looks like. And then this bar shows where the slow motion will begin. So it starts from this point to this point. So you can either decide to start it at the beginning, or you can choose a small section for it to play that slow motion video. So customize it to suit your needs. And once you're done, simply play and see a preview on how it looks like. As you can see, the slow motion is beginning at that point. And once you're satisfied with the changes, all you have to do is tap on the check mark, and that will create another video and it will apply all the changes that you have set. So that's basically it on how to record a slow motion video using your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.